Hey guys, so this is Cameron with Bollyworks and also aka Gamer Creed. So, as you can see, my house is kind of a disaster. So this is also a main reason I have not been exactly pumping out videos anytime soon. So this whole thing is being teared out. Wallpaper. What the hell am I talking about? Wallpaper is a bitch to remove. So if anybody actually knows something besides Quick and Bright, which doesn't work that great, and drowning my walls in water, that would be appreciated. So, as you can see, I have run a bunch of Cat 6 Plus throughout the house. Still running it, by the way. And then we have surround sound there, that corner, and right there. And then obviously home theater system. This whole thing was not here. I think I have a video somewhat of before I started on this project. So if I have that, I'll try to post it. And then in this lovely room. Alright, so obviously pretty messy right now. But what do we have? Forgive me about the light. Obviously this sucks. So, we have an i7 6700. We have ASRock server. So that goes with the Silverstone case. That. It's also the Valens ECC RAM. And then we have this wonderful guy. Don't go get my motherboard because you saw this, but because it's mine, you can't have it. Seriously. And then I'm doing this hard drive, obviously for the operating system. It's pretty small, it's just 256. If my focus, this camera is shit, so we have Dominator RAM, 32 gigabytes. And the Samsung Evo drive. We have the GTX 980 Ti, and then we have the H100i water cooling, and then that guy. All going into this Corsair case. Apparently somebody wants to get a hold of me. A lot. Anyways. Then if you open this room, hell, there's rats! Rats! Oh, what do you want? What do you want? Huh? Huh? Yeah, that would be Gracie. And the Bobs. Yes, Bobs is the crack child. No, actually. Gracie! Gracie, I think, got dropped on her head too many times as a child. But, she'll just plow over people. Just like that. Just walk right over them, chomp on their heads. Well, anyway, so, obviously, I will try to make videos as much as I can of everything that's going on here, and try to break it down as much as possible so it's not 50 frickin' things. So, but yeah, now back to texturing. I'm trying to get somewhat, as you can see, just a light weird texture. We'll see how that turns out, though. I'll let you know. So it's kind of a mixture between home improvement, computers, and well, we can do surround sound too. So yes, the Shul. If you're an audio guy, you might have got that. And now I have to take care of these crack childs because they want to go out. Huh? Yeah. Do you want to go? Okay. Alright, but I will talk to you guys and see you in the next video.